Start by turning the robot upside down. Use a screwdriver to remove the edge sweeping brush. Loosen the 5 screws that secure the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover. Loosen the 2 screws that retain the edge sweeping brush module. Remove the module. Install the replacement edge sweeping brush module. Tighten the 2 screws that retain the new module. Remove the new edge sweeping brush so you can replace the bottom cover. Replace the bottom cover and tighten the 5 screws. Make sure the bottom cover is flush with all sensors. Replace the edge sweeping brush and tighten the screw.